Hey guys, this is Anindya and welcome to the third tutorial of XHTML and CSS. So in the previous tutorial, we just talked about the headers and the paragraphs. So in this tutorial, we are going to talk about the breakline or some cool fonts in the XHTML. So let's start with the breakline tag. So what the heck is this breakline tag? So for the breakline tag, you have to see these paragraph. So in this paragraph here we have 6 sentences, that sentence 1 2 3 4 5. So all these 5 sentences are on a different line, but as we discussed before that the XHTML is not a space sensitive, therefore it doesn't count any spaces. That's why it put all these 5 sentences on the same line. So what the trick to make it on a different line? The trick is the breakline tag. So the breakline tag is quite different from other tag, except these document type HTML. So for example, here we have HTML tag, head tag, title, body tag, header, and paragraph, and so on. So all these tags have 2 tags. Our first one is an open tag and a close tag. But in a breakline tag, it has only 1 tag. So for writing the breakline tag, press less than sign, BR space and a / and a greater than sign. Okay, so here you can see the small difference that this small / is put after the character, here the BR character, but in the other tags, that is the tags having 2 tags, the / is put before the character. So let's save this and let's find what will happen to our website. Bang, here we got this. So here the sentence first is on the first line and the other sentences, that is the other 4 sentences, are on the second line. So let's copy this to every sentences to make it more comfortable. Okay, let's copy this. Cool. Okay, cool. Let's save this and bang, here we see that all the 5 sentences in every paragraphs are shifted to their respective lines. So that's all the breakline tag. Now let's move to our next tag, that is a horizontal row. So horizontal row is basically a line and a horizontal line. It is also called a separator. You may see in maybe you guys are seeing in the Amazon website. In an Amazon website, every product, after every product there is a horizontal line that signifies a new section. So let's make it the horizontal line in our website. So for the horizontal row tag, put a less than sign, HR space and a /. This is also a single tag. Okay, so let's copy this and paste it to every new headers. So okay, I think correct, yeah. Okay, so let's save this and see what will happen. Bang, here. So here these horizontal lines are the horizontal row commands, row tags. So after this horizontal row tags, the next topic is the bold and the italicize. So what if you want to make this paragraph word, you want to make a bold. So for the bold, this paragraph, you have to need a bold tag. For the bold tag, you need to press a less than sign, strong, STRONG, and a greater than sign. This is a 2 type tag, therefore it has 2 tags, opening and a closing tag. So a less than / as always, strong, STRONG, and a greater than sign. Okay, also if you want in this sentence that this word, third word, is italicized. So for the italicized tag you need an emphasis. So basically emphasis means to italicize. So let's put the italicized tag. So press less than sign em greater than sign and less than forward slash em and a greater than sign. Okay, so let's save this and see what will happen. Oh bang, here we got this. Let's compare this with our code. Okay, cool. So here what we have done, so here we applied the strong tag, that is a bold tag, in the paragraph. So here we got this, the paragraph, the bold paragraph word, and here we applied the italicize or the emphasis tag on the third word. So here we got this emphasis or the italicized tag. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching. Let's meet you guys on the next tutorial.